The canvas is located in the middle of your screen. It is a gray rectangle where you can put all your objects. You can put your text, shapes, or whatever you want. So as you see, this is a gray rectangle. Actually, you can change its color over here. You can set it like this, but I don't think it's a good solution. So you can set any color as you want. But I think we will stick with gray. And canvas is limitless. You can zoom in, zoom out, and it will follow you. If you put a lot of objects over here, it will scale up. So currently we don't have a lot of them, so we will move later, and you will see that you can put here whatever you want.